days.
All right, we get started with our Friday night weather, and we do have a few thunderstorms. A couple of things to note. The thunderstorms that were making their way through the western and central Dakotas have kind of split in a couple of different sections. Still quite a bit of energy in the atmosphere. We do see some showers and a few rumbles of thunder out near the Ellendale area and south towards Aberdeen. These are moving more into South Dakota, and they are not severe. Check out this time lapse. Home of economy, Devil's Lake, North Dakota. Look at that little rolling cloud right there. The clouds up aloft, moving in a different direction. Just beautiful skies at sunset. And here in the FM area, looking out to the west from our studios here in South Fargo, we see the red of the dawn out to the west. As we take a look, a 73-degree reading right now, 72 with light winds in Moorhead. And temperatures are in the 60s for central Minnesota, 68 Thief River Falls. Grand Forks this hour, 73 degrees. We have 72 out in Jamestown. And again, the Minnesota area in Lakes Country seeing those 70s. Setting things into motion, and I'm going to scoot back to this side here so we can watch what happens in the overnight hours out to the west. More storm development is possible. These have not developed yet, but there is energy out there, and there will be through the overnight hours. But they don't arrive until the wee hours of the morning. We're talking between 2 and, say, daybreak, a few thunderstorms, mainly in eastern portions of North Dakota as we go through the morning hours. Temperatures slip into the 60s, and I think overnight, Minnesota stays quiet. So we go through the first half of the day, we could still have a few rumbles of thunder remnant from that activity overnight, and temperatures will be slow to respond as a result. We'll mostly be in the upper 60s and low to mid 70s through that period. We'll get a midday break in the early afternoon to mid-afternoon time frame, and temperatures will start rising a little bit. We can't rule out hit and miss thunder showers for your afternoon tomorrow. So morning seems like the greatest chance of a few showers and thunderstorms here in the Red River Valley and points west, and then late day clearing taking place with temperatures peaking at right around 80 degrees in the late day. Your sunset tomorrow at 9:21. Temperatures west of the Red River Valley, mainly in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. And we could have a few rumbles of thunder out to the east in Lakes Country with temperatures there in the afternoon in the mid 70s for many. Beautiful shot. Grace sent this in of glassy waters on North Turtle Lake. Planning forecast, warm and dry on Sunday. On Monday, we have called a first alert weather day. The storms that do develop could become severe the way things are looking right now. Slight chances of showers and thunderstorms each day through next week as well, with summer-like temperatures all week long in the 80s. Ron Perkel captured this beautiful shot here of Comet Neowise over the area on the clear skies overnight here within the last 24 hours. Look at that beautiful shots. Do you want to see the comet? You can, because it's visible for the rest of the month, essentially. Pre-dawn is currently best. That means, 3 in the morning, 5 in the morning, right before the sun rises. But after the 12th, it'll be visible about an hour after sunset. And it'll be closest to the Earth on the 22nd. So, some rain in the forecast overnight tonight and into the start of your weekend for Saturday.
All right, thanks, Hutch. Still ahead.